Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a special video. No, I'm not pregnant yet. I want to share something with you. This is something that I've been doing for the past few months, and a large reason why I have been MIA. Another one was dealing with all the PCOS stuff, trying to get my hormones balanced, which I'll give another update in a different video, some things I'm taking, and I've gone to another doctor's appointment, actually 2 doctor's appointments since that last video. And I just want to finally share it with you because it's taken up a lot of my time, but it's kind of exciting also. And this video won't be posted until after a few things happen with these 2 things, if that makes sense. So it's pre-recorded. I'm just recording it now because I won't be able to really record when it's happening. You get it? But I want to post it while I'm doing it. I hope that makes sense. So thing number 1 is, what's more exciting? I feel like they're both exciting. Well, we bought a house. Yay! Okay, I don't have the claps going, but maybe I'll insert them. We bought a house. Our first house. How old am I? I'm about to be 25 in October. My husband's a couple years older than me. This is our first house, both of us buying together. We live in a house now, but we are renting it. And if you haven't been watching my channel long, my husband and my son and I, we all moved to Texas, the Dallas, what is it called? Dallas Metroplex, I'll say, area. Is huge if you live in Texas. The whole Dallas, Fort Worth, all of the Metroplex. It's pretty big, so you're not gonna know where I live. But we moved out here last year in May. So May of 2017, we got this house, we rent it, it's awesome, but we're a little bit older now and we're kind of realizing we're kind of wasting money giving it to a landlord every month when we can be getting a house. So the past few months, I want to say 2 months or so, we randomly started looking at houses. We realized we can actually afford to get a house, so we've been really hardcore saving, not really spending much money at all, actually, unless it's a necessity, like no money at all. We bought our house, we signed our contract. When did we sign it? I want to say 2 weeks ago from today, and today is July 2nd. So we signed about 2 weeks ago. It's our house, it's a new build. We originally were going to go for an older house, but then it had problems with it and we didn't want to deal with having to fix them down the road because the house was built in like the 50s or 60s or something, so the wiring would need to be redone later on, so we didn't want to go that route. So we were going to just wait and maybe look into it next year to get a house we really wanted, because that house was like 3 bedrooms and a little bit smaller. We wanted 4 because we plan on having kids, more kids in the future, God willing. So we waited, and then our realtor was like, oh, come check out these new built houses. And I was like, all right, whatever, I'll look. So I looked. We looked, we fell in love with it. It's awesome. Reasonable price for what we were going to pay for the older house. So yay. Good news 1, I guess you can say. And we move in 2 months. It's the end of August. I think August 30th is our estimated move-in date. So, but I just want to let you guys know, so when you do see a new background, you're like, where the heck is she again? Moved again? So we're in this now, so you know. So when I'm moving, I'm not MIA like I have been while we've been looking for houses, because if you've looked for houses, it is like a full-time job. So right after work, I would rush home. We would try to scarf down some food and then run out to go look for houses for a couple hours, like to actually view them. And if we weren't viewing them, we were looking at them online, trying to figure out which ones we liked, making a list of it. And it's just a lot of work. I didn't realize how much work looking for a house was, not necessarily even the buying process, just looking. So that's good news number 1. I'm super excited to decorate and all that stuff. And good news number 2 is, I don't even know how I got interested in this. I want to say it was a YouTube video or something, but I've always been passionate about children and kind of birth, and when I had postpartum depression, trying to help people and things like that. And I have a video about postpartum depression just a little bit. I didn't really go into detail about it when I suffered from it, but that really got to me, and I looked into some things and I came across being a doula. and how to certify to be a doula. So the past couple months, what have I been doing? Getting my certification to be a doula. I'm not certified yet, but I am certifying, and the certification process can take up to 2 years. So I'm just letting you guys know now when I kind of fall off. I'm trying to finish these books. I got a lot of books to read, y'all. I'm almost done with this one. This is a pretty good book too if you're into doula stuff. I hope it's not backwards. What is this one called? Misconceptions, Truth, Lies, and the Unexpected Journey. And the Unexpected on the Journey to Motherhood. Really good book. Loving it. I love this doula stuff. So far, I'm enjoying it. I cannot wait to be able to help moms. My specialty is going to be postpartum care though. I do want to look into more of the birth side, but postpartum will mainly be what I'm passionate about. And so I'm looking into the birth part so I can offer like full packages of course, the pregnancy, pre-labor stuff, birth, and then postpartum. So these things have been taking up a lot of my time, guys. I'm sorry. I still like making natural hair videos, but sometimes I don't feel as inspired, and then trying to find time to do it with my schedule is just hectic because I do work full-time in a court setting. So between house hunting, full-time work, doula stuff, I've been busy, super busy. And then Isaiah's been working out of town a lot, so it's just been kind of crazy because I've just been by myself with the mirror trying to do all these other things, balancing being a mom and stuff while still making time for me and then my health stuff that's been going on. So I've been trying, y'all. I've really been trying, but I just wanted to tell y'all what was going on, and I can't wait to be able to post this so you guys can know, because I can't post it right away because it's the house stuff. So I know I've been MIA, but please hang on. I will be back to share more with you guys soon. I missed you. I do miss talking to you / myself right now. So don't forget to leave comments down below if you have any questions. I just love talking to you, so just leave comments down below. Thumbs up this video if you missed me. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And I'll talk to you guys later.